Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for a tourist visa to travel to Chile. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this consulate website of Chile. Okay. Now, the very first thing you should check, do you really need a visa because based on nationality, duration, purpose, you may or may not actually need a visa. So for Indians, visa is required. And as you can see, I have selected as location India. You do it as per your own case. So here on this page, they have clearly mentioned that you're going to submit this form online. Okay. You need to upload your documents, passport size photograph. The specifications also have been given here. Okay. And then based on case by case, they may ask you for additional documents or even a personal interview. Okay. Now, once you upload the documentation and finish the process, okay, then they are gonna, of course, process the application. And in case it is granted, in case it is approved, you are gonna be notified by email. Okay. So, and once it is approved, they will send you the instruction for payment, giving a period of 30 days to finalize the payment for the visa. Okay. And then you have to send the receipt back to the email address to prove that you have paid. And once you do that, the visa will be issued electronically. So basically, this is an e-visa. And this will be from the official email of the consular office or section. Okay, and you have to print and carry it. So basically, it's kind of e-visa. In simple terms, you're going to apply online. If they want additional documents or interview, they are going to notify. They'll process and they will let you know the decision. And if they approve to you, they will send you the information about how to pay the fee. You have to pay the fee, get the receipt, send it back to them, and then they will issue you the visa. With that, you can travel to Chile. Okay. So once you are ready, you can click on the platform. Okay. And then we can take it up from there. Right. So on clicking on that consulate, this link, yeah, it comes to this place. Okay. It's an available in other language too that you can select, but I have selected English. So if you're ready to, once you're ready to apply for the visa, click on this. Country or place where you are applying for your visa. This is very important. Do it as per your own case. Don't go by this. Which consulate? Let's say you're applying at New Delhi. Date of birth, do it as per your own case. Again, I will not be submitting it, but just to walk you through. Passport number, be very careful. I'm putting sample, but you do as per your case, and any entry you put, you check it 2 times. Type of passport, most of people are ordinary. Issuing country, nationality, expiry, type of visa. I select one entry, period of stay in Chile. Fee is given in USD, in dollars, and also in local currencies because you have selected India. Period of stay. Okay. You can change it. I mean, how much you want, but they give you 90 days. Expert date of arrival, let's say you're going on 31st. But again, do it as per your own case and try to do it well in advance so that you have sufficient time. Email, I'm putting sample. Don't do like this. You do it as per your own case. You cannot copy and paste. Okay. Okay. Now your name as shown in passport. So this is given name, second is family name. So I'll just put mother's madam surname if appears on your passport. So okay, if applicable, gender, country of birth, city of birth, nationality of origin, full home address, details for your own case, country of residence, city of residence, at phone, status, isolate single. Do it as per your own case, guys. Develop education. Let's say university. Profession, let's say, and oh, yeah, simple. Occupation, reason of traveling, let's say recreation. Of name of hotel, let's say Alpha. Address, phone number. What are the documents you need? Photograph, passport, invitation letter, hotel reservation, police clearance certificate, document establish you have sufficient economic means, financial. Okay, they've given the details also. Other document that you wish, justify your trip, save and continue, and next is gonna be submission. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea, and the main process I have already described above. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.